we are discussing about aggregation. So what is aggregation? Aggregation is a way to achieve association. Previously we discussed about association. Aggregation represents the relationship where one object contains other object as a part of its state has has a relationship. Aggregation has a relationship. Aggregation it is a it is a way to achieve association. Previously we discussed about association. Association represents the relationship between the objects like one to many, many to one to one, and many to many. And this is aggregation is the way to achieve association. Here is an example of aggregation. Class employee, int id, string name, address. Here address is also a class. Suppose we are creating an class. Inside that class we are declare the address id, address pin code. Inside address class, pin code, street name, there are inside the address class. So we are discussing the address class with with a reference variable of that particular class. Like address is a reference variable to a particular class. Int id, string name, address is class. So here is the aggregation comes into picture. Next is composition. So what is composition? Composition is also a way to achieve association. The composition represents the relationship where one object contains other object as a part of its state. There is strong relationship between the containing object and dependent object. The composition is also a way to achieve association. Here we discussed previously aggregation. It is also a way to achieve association. Composition is also a way to achieve association. So our main point is our association. So when composition allows to reuse the code. In Java we can use multiple inheritance. We know that the multiple inheritance is not currently operable inside the class level of Java, but with the help of composition we can build multiple inheritance in Java. It also allows dynamically changed our behavior of the program. The composition allows the dynamically change the behavior of our program. So there is our aggregation means relationship between the one object contains other object as a part of its state. Here is employee has a address, like has a relationship. And this is our composition is also a way to achieve association. Here our composition are beneficial because it is allows to reuse the code. We use the multiple inheritance by using composition concept. Also it allows dynamically change our program's behavior.